How to get high score with Hack MOD app. First of all, open the setting app on your phone. Tap on journal. Scroll down to background refresh. Tap on it. And make sure turn it on by selecting Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, you all have to come back here. Tap on about. You can see I have running iOS 18.2. So you can get the Apple from iOS 11 till any update version. Don't need to worry about this. So okay, come back. Come in Safari. Here to type vipgen.com. Search continue. Here to type Block Blast is here. So you can download your app here from here and enjoy it as you want. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.